Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anna, and in today's video I am going to be doing a haul from my favorite store, the Dollar Tree. So if you want to see the items that I got, stay tuned. Okay, so first let me just say the Dollar Tree is the place to go if you are looking for affordable decor items for your home. In my home I have so many different types of stuff that I get from them. You can get paintings that look so chic. You can get trinkets to put on your vanity or your dresser, and some of these items nobody would even know that you actually got at the Dollar Tree. For example, these paintings right here that are currently above my bed, they're all from the Dollar Tree, and I don't think anybody would come and know that, okay, your girl got those paintings at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree also sells these trinket trays. This is the one that I picked up, and it's a yellow gold. Usually I'm a rose gold type of girl, but I really liked this one, and it's just shaped like a little leaf. There are so many other types that you could get. They had it in like a white ceramic, and I think they had it in silver. Well, what I'm actually going to be doing is to be placing my rings, because I don't have that many. I really just have my wedding ring and like my graduation ring from high school and this one other ring. So I'm just going to set them on this tray just to kind of decoratively display them on top of my vanity. Storage. I am a sucker for anything storage. Even when I don't have anything to literally put in them, I just love buying storage items. I picked up these, like a ton of these. I probably bought like around a dozen of them. So these are actually organizer bins, and what I do, I use these in my dresser drawer to organize my clothes. I'll be showing you guys a shot right now. If you are not organizing your drawers, you need to. Like, it gives you so much peace when you open out your drawers and you know exactly where to go to look for what, and it also has everything looking organized and just aesthetically pleasing, in my opinion. So if you're looking for affordable organization bins, the Dollar Tree has a ton load, not only for drawers or dressers. They have regular storage bins that you can just put in your closet. I personally didn't buy those because they don't come with covers. I like my storage bins to have covers, but if you just need regular bins, they have those too. These are collapsible, so you literally just open them out, put in the base that's included in this, and you're good to go, honey. You have your organizer to just throw your underwear, your leggings. Like, I have all of my clothes categorized in these bins. They also come in a tan color if you don't like the black look. I picked up pillowcases. Now, one thing that I want you guys to bear in mind, because this did like actually catch me the first time I went there to pick up pillowcases. I thought each one of these would be a pair, but no, honey, it's one single pillowcase in this for $1. So if you need a pair, you need to take up 2 of these. So I went ahead and I got the satin black, and satin pillowcases are really good to maintain the moisture in your hair when you are sleeping at night. I've had these before and I had to sell them when I moved to the US, so now I'm here. I had to buy them back. So nothing too special, it's really just simple and nice, but for $1 to get satin pillowcases, this is a really good deal. I also got it in another print. I've never seen this at the Dollar Tree before, so when I saw it, I just had to pick it up. So let's see. Ooh, oh, me likey. Oh, so this is the print for this. So it's like a gray and black. This should look really cute too, and this is a thicker material than the first one. Usually I don't like white pillowcases, okay? Like, I'm not a fan really, but this one, it said sweet dreams. I guess that is what it's gonna be looking like when you put it on your bed. So let's see here. have it the right way? Oh no, I do not. So this should be looking so cute on my bed. Of course, when you wash it and put it in the dryer, it should get the creases out. So that's my next find. All right, my next favorite item to get from the Dollar Tree are these feminine cleansing wipes. Oh, you guys, I don't want to get too TMI, but ladies and men, because they sell the men version of this too. Okay, I saw my husband with it in his car, so they sell them. These moist toilets for your coochie are the bomb. Like, I don't need to get into detail. Y'all know we need to be clean. We need to be keeping that thing right. The reason why I really love these is because it's a thicker material than others that I've tried, and it's really moist. It keeps the moisture in the bag for a long time as well, and you get like a good dimensions. It's not like a little beanie thing. And plus you get 32 cleansing cloths in this. Others at the Dollar Tree you only get like 20 or 25, so you get 32 cleansing wipes for $1. Okay, so right now it's the summertime and a lot of persons are barbecuing and grilling, including your girl. So I decided that I wanted to try shrimp skewers. You know, I wanted to try something different. I've never done it before. So of course I needed the skewer sticks to actually put, or kebabs, however you want to call it, but I needed the sticks to put on them. And I found this deal at the Dollar Tree as well, where you can get 100 of these bad boys. I was scouring Target, Walmart, and it was like $4 or $5 for like a pack of 5. And I got 100 of these bad boys to do my skewers. I think this is a really good deal. But before I actually picked up this one, because I couldn't find it at first, at another Dollar Tree, because my husband was like, you know, maybe we shouldn't get the wooden ones, maybe we should get the metal ones since they can be reusable, you know. Yeah, that's his thing. So I actually saw the metal ones, so I bought these first. So now I have disposable and reusable. So this is what the metal ones are looking like, and you get 4, and they're pretty long, pretty long. So 4 of them for $1. I figured I didn't need another pack. This looked like it could do enough for like even a 2-person meal maybe. Now on to beauty. I did go ahead and I saw this Freeman peel off mask. The Dollar Tree tends to have a lot of facial products. I don't really try them all the time, to be honest, because there are just certain things that I don't think you should be buying at the Dollar Tree. However, this is a really popular brand, so I wanted to try this out. I have not tried it as yet, and I think it's new. I've never seen this at any Dollar Tree before. It's the Revitalizing Peel Off Mask, and it's pomegranate. Instantly boosts radiance, increases resiliency, and refines pores. Serum infused facial mask, and you get 5 FL ounces in this. So hopefully I like it. I don't currently have any peel off masks. I only have like charcoals. So for $1, why not try it? I was in the candy aisle, which I'm not normally in, by the way, and I saw something that immediately reminded me of my childhood days back in Jamaica at like primary school. I hope some people will feel the nostalgia that I'm feeling right now, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I picked up these. Anybody remember these? These are like gummy burgers. Oh my god, even up to high school when I was going to Ardennes, these were like a really favorite snack of mine, and they were really popular. This is what they look like, so I really just had to pick it up just to relive the good old days. So it's literally just a burger. It's no big deal. They're just gummy snacks, but you guys, I'm getting old. I'm about to be 30, so I needed something to remind me of when I was a child. And these really did hit the spot. And for $1, I already ate 2, so it seems like for $1 you get around let's see. Wow, you get 8. You get 8 of them for $1, so this is a really good find, and they taste really good. So if you are an avid supporter of my channel or you follow me on my Instagram page, y'all know I'm obsessed with nails. I change my nails pretty often. I do not go to a manicurist. I don't go to the salon or anything. I do everything myself, and I often rely on Dollar Tree nails to do that. By the way, shameless plug, I did a previous video on my Dollar Tree nails and how I apply them. So if you haven't watched that video, like, it's gonna be right here. You know, I'm gonna make it easy for you. You just click right here to watch it, okay? So recently I haven't seen Dollar Tree, like, you know, expanding their nail collection, but this one I haven't seen it before, so I decided to pick it up. Usually I don't really like these types of Dollar Tree nails simply because they only come with 12 pieces, right? So they only come with 12 pieces, so you have to ensure that your cuticles will be able to match these. Mine do. The only finger that I normally have problem with is the thumb finger. It's normally a little bit smaller. The thumb one, the biggest one in here, is normally a little bit smaller, so but I make it work. And I think this little print here is so unique. I can't wait to actually try them on. I have a like a highlight story reel on my Instagram page of all of my Dollar Tree nails. I'll just insert a few of them right here so you can see what they look like. They may be cheap, but you'll be balling on a budget with these. All right, so the last things that I want to show you that I got at the Dollar Tree are their acrylic organization bins, trays, drawers, whatever you want to call them. I have been obsessed, and every time I go to a Dollar Tree I have to pick these acrylic drawers slash containers up. They just give your room just a little clean, chic vibe. I love when things are transparent and clear. So let me just show you real quick the two that I'm currently obsessed with. All right, you guys, so the Dollar Tree is selling these clear scalloped containers, and I currently have 4 of them. This one, as you can see, I have all of my makeup brushes in them. They're really sturdy and really wide. You can hold a lot of things in them. So if you see these at the Dollar Tree, don't be hesitant to pick them up because they can be really useful. I'm going to show you what I'm using my other 2 for right now. Whew. So my other houses all of my, well, this is just half of my pen collection because yeah, I'm addicted. So all of my classier looking pens and a few other stuff are stored in this on top of my desk that you see over there in the corner. And then I have all of my clear or my colored cheaper sunglasses in this, and it really just helps to give a decorative vibe to my dresser. So just to give you guys some ideas to what you can use them for if you decide to go and pick them up yourself. Okay, so I had to be super careful in showing you this bad boy right here. Now these acrylic trays are my #1 favorite item from the Dollar Tree. You would have to spend so much money getting drawers like this on like Amazon or Muji. Of course they don't come like this. I stacked them, so you get them individually for just $1. And I have all of my jewelry in this one. So watches at the top, or the bottom one is not glued on, so it's coming out. So let's just put it right here. But these are glued together. So you can basically buy these and just store trinkets, store your jewelry. The bottom one has all of the drawers kind of just pull out like this. And it has all of my earrings at the bottom. I have bracelets right here. And I have all of my watches, as you can see at the top. The bottom one that I haven't glued on as yet has all of my necklaces. These look so chic, and this is just $5. Just $5 to get this look. So if you see these, and they're a rare gem at the Dollar Tree, so if you see them, clear the shelves, because chances are when you go back you're not gonna see them there, because that's what keeps happening to me. I actually got these in another state, I have not been able to find them anywhere at any Dollar Tree in Pennsylvania, but I did pick these up at a Dollar Tree in Connecticut, and I think I got 2 in New York as well. So if you see them, pick them up. You can just glue them. I just use regular Dollar Tree nail glue or super glue to just glue them together. You can probably even stack them this way if you wanted to. So many different ideas. Alright, that's it you guys. That's all of my items that I recently picked up from the Dollar Tree. If you like this video and you want to see more Dollar Tree hauls or more affordable storage slash decor slash anything at all that's affordable, because you know that's my deal, don't be afraid to comment below and let me know. Don't forget to also like the video and share the video, subscribe to my channel, and I really hope that you are enjoying the content that I'm putting out. Until next time, I'll see you later.